following is a paid message for a chip so iconic, we don't need to name it. Because this is an ad with no logos, no jingles, no gimmicks. Just those red and blue bags with the stuff you love in it. 3 sides to this story. It's the corner store crunch that had you trade your buddies for it if they packed a packet.
Several friend kids. I wish I could still have them with a little think that I wanted to further notice and volunteer the trip to Arizona to Nevada. Creature was unconsidered 7 years later with their approach. This creature life is super practice.
The civil authorities have issued a nuclear power plant warning for the Palo Verde nuclear power plant from reactor number 2 at 11:39 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. An unknown force has destroyed the Palo Verde nuclear power plant, triggering radioactive materials. If you are in a 2-mile radius from the plant, bring food, water, medical supplies, and a first aid kit. Evacuate in a commander. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell was that? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? There's no... What the hell? What the hell just happened? What the hell?
Hop in that whip, yo, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious. I look at my Cartier.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. A mandatory evacuation has been issued from the explosion from the Palo Verde nuclear power plant from reactor number 2. Authorities say that force that exploded the nuclear power plant was from a creature called a demon. If you see a demon in your area, call 911 immediately. Don't panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Please stand by for more updates on this dangerous situation.
When you go down, when you go down, down.
Walk out the house with my swagger, hop in that whip, yo, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious. I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind where I'm going, the women, the shorties know nothing but clothes. No stopping at my Pirelli's on.
How and Local 10.
child has been abducted. Repeat, a child has been abducted. A child named Lily Antimino has been abducted from an unknown female. Lily Antimino is 5-year-old white female, weighs 23 pounds with long blonde hair and turquoise eyes. Lily was last seen in a parking lot near a casino. Residents who know this child should call 911 or call the mother's number at 987-376-8903. I repeat, a child has been abducted by an unknown female. The child's name is Lily Antimino and she was last seen in a parking lot near a casino. If you know this child, call 911 now. I repeat, call 911 now.
About that, they're showing up.
We're trying.
Yeah. Talk about your family.
I've been married going on 8 years. We've met online. He was in Ghana. I was here in the States. We have 6 children.
Wow. So this online thing worked out real well.
Yes, so far.
Good to have you here. Good luck
Thank
the rest
you.
of the way. Have a good time. Okay. Hi, Rob.
Hi.
Rob Chichester is from Millington, New Jersey. Bit of an outdoorsman there,
Yes.
fishing and skiing and all that
Love
stuff.
to fish, love to ski.
And
love
you
to
have
golf.
family to do this with, huh?
I do. I've been married to my lovely wife, Rose, for 31 years. And we have 3 wonderful, if not yet fully emancipated children. Keith, 28. Travis, 24. And Amanda, 22.
These things take longer these days. Rutgers grad.
Rutgers
Originally
grad,
from Brooklyn?
Originally from Brooklyn and season ticket holder. I'd like to give a shout out to my Rutgers tailgate crew, including my father, Chick. Go Scarlet Knights.
Okay, we're through with you now, Rob.
Thank you.
Nice to... Hello, Amy.
Hello there.
Amy Tompkins, Jurupa Valley, California. I thought I knew everything. I don't know where Jurupa Valley is.
It's near Ontario.
Okay, and you are married?
Yes, to my husband, Bill, more than patient husband.
Now, you have 4 children. Talk about them.
Our daughter, Ava, Liam, Lily, and Beckham are our twins.
Now, is everyone here?
Only my 9-year-old. Yes.
Okay, made the trip with you.
Right. My teenager, when I asked her if she'd like to come, she
The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Emergency Management Agency. Sioux Falls, South Dakota residents should stop water usage immediately. Please stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, or using showers. Only use water for drinking purposes. Water does not have to be boiled. There is an issue in the sanitary source system that can cause water backups in the affected area. There will be a water backup bounded to the north of Minnehaha and a backup to the south of Minnehaha. Residents should stay out of the Big Sioux River and parks adjacent to the river. Residents should move critical items from their basements until authorities can fix the problem. Residents should stay out of these areas.